just a little thing here before we get started. This is why I haven't done any videos. You can see all those vertical grain clapboards. I don't know how many there is there. There's 4 bundles out there in the barn. As you can see, it's pretty well cleaned up. I've also got a bunch of wood here. And that LVL, gonna put up here and make a little mezzanine up here so we can store clapboards and stuff out of the way. I want all these things. These are valuable enough. I mean, they're beautiful clapboards. The blade was getting dull. That's what done this tear out, but you know, you only need 4 inches. I'm gonna use them myself anyway, but yeah, you can see there the little bit of fuzz starting. I did a lot of clapboards with that set of blades. Probably 600-700 pieces. So yeah, you can see we got things cleaned up pretty good. And of course, you know how the windows, we did that. Now I can get to my last window. I'm not gonna start that probably for a week or 2, but I do wanna get that done this year. So anyway, I've been busy every day. And me and Carol did, Sunday we took off and went up the coast. Went to, Jesus, I'm having a brain fart on the name of the beach. Pemaquid Point? Yeah, Pemaquid Point, Pemaquid Beach. We went up that area, which is just this side of Belfast and stuff, and never been there before. We went through towns that I've never even heard the name of, so it's kind of a neat place to go. You know, it's nice to see something you've never seen before. So yeah, anyway, let's go on downstairs and we'll get working on the truck. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been at least a week and a half since I've made a video, but I wanted to show you. I've got a brand new steering wheel in. This is a Type 3. I'm pretty sure this one up here was a Type 1. The Type 1, I'm pretty sure I couldn't get the horn button, but it was also about $60 more money. So I went with the Type 3, which the horn button wraps up around on the top, which that one doesn't. And these here they must sell a lot more. A lot cheaper. No gum on it. It's not cheap, but it won't be sticking all over you. So anyway, right now, and yes, I cut the wires. I couldn't get that thing uncoupled down there. I'm gonna put some white lithium on this. I've had it, and I've washed it all out. I've blown it all out. And then I'm gonna go get me some dielectric and put a little bit down inside there where the contacts are. I'd like to use the contact grease that's actually meant to make a better contact. There is a special grease for it. I don't have it. I'm just gonna put a very small amount of the dielectric just to keep the corrosion at bay, and I gotta be careful that I don't put so much that it floats and doesn't make contact. So just a smidgen will do on that. But anyway, I'll grease her up there, show you what we get done. Okay, so I got everything screwed back together. Just 3 screws. You gotta tip the blinker down one way there to get that one. Well, this one here I guess you can get any time. But anyway, yeah, got that all done. Of course, the spring is in there. I did put the cancellation spring. And so now, what we need, I got my tool here. Oh shoot, I can't do it that way. I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to put that snap ring on there. Yeah. And I'm sure I put it somewhere where it was going to be safe. Yeah, crap, there it is. Okay, I'm going to take that back off with 2 hands and get that loaded, and then we'll put her on. Okay, I got the snap ring right there loaded. And there's the groove right there that we're after. There we go. I think we got it started, maybe. Yeah. She started. It actually goes on easier than it comes off. There we go. And that is where it goes, right there. Come on. Can't see what I'm filming here. Yeah, you can see there that snap ring right in there. And you just back off the tool. It does go on and off easy if you just get rid of that. Yeah. It's all solid. Just like it's supposed to be. So, yeah, everything works good. Let's see if we can get a steering wheel on there. So after we get this all back together, it appears this has to be all the way over here for mine to get lined up. It really depends how you get it back together. But I put it back together the same way it came apart. And I really won't know for sure till I get it on the road to know if it's exact. But yeah, this plastic piece, you got to be careful, make sure it goes in that hole right there. So, see how we can do this. There we go. Pretty sure that's all together right. So everything appears good. Let's take a quick look here at that's kind of horizontal now. We will take a look. It looks like it's got a lot of toe in. That's running, well, I really can't tell where you guys are looking, but about an inch outside the back tire, it looks like. And this side here should be, well, this side's probably 2.5, 3 inches. So, Jesus. That really ought to be set one more notch over. I am going to take that apart because to make that, yeah, that's going to go down the road about there. But then again, you get the crown of the road. I don't know how it's going to act. I think I'm going to put it together where it is. If I have to take it apart later and change it, it's no big deal. Kind of an interesting thing here I just found. Got it all together. All the blinker works and everything, but the horn wouldn't blow. So I'm trying to get ready to pull the steering wheel back off. And look what these damn people did wherever they put this thing together. There is a plastic film in here, and it covers the contact for the horn. I wonder you thought they'd have known enough that wouldn't work, huh? Anyway, I'm going to get this cleaned up. I'll be back in a minute. Well, I took all that plastic out. I don't know why they left that. Yeah, it's there. Yeah. I don't know why they left that plastic in there. But anyway, real thin plastic. Must have been from when it was manufactured. And, come on. Doesn't this thing work? I don't know. It did a minute ago. Anyway. Let me get this thing here. Whoop. Yeah, it'll work. Just got to short it out. Oh, yeah. So, get that back on. Yep. Works fine. So, everything works in under the steering wheel now. So, I'm gonna tackle that crap tomorrow. I was gonna do it tonight, but funny how they put that piece of plastic on a brand new setup like that, because you didn't have to take that apart to put it together. So I didn't take it apart and look at it. You assume stuff will work. But anyway, yeah, tomorrow we'll do a little more on this old girl. I know we haven't done much today, but at least we're back in the saddle, so to speak. We've got a brand new went over to Cornish Auto. They had the blinker spring, which I already put in. They've got the headlight switch. So tomorrow I'll finish doing all the rest of this stuff. But like I say, right now all the blinker works perfect. So I didn't actually try it to see if it'll kick out, but yeah. So yeah, that's good. So anyway, that's gonna be it for tonight. Not much of a video, but we're going in the right direction. So anyway, take care everybody, and don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.